Right guys, welcome to a new video. Today's video we're going to be doing a weekly review of the week we just had. A really good week overall, ending up around I think just over $18,000 in the two Lelu accounts. So we have so 18,134. These are the evaluation accounts. However, as I've told many people on the Facebook groups and also the people in my room, we will trade them exactly the same as what we're trading them in the evaluation accounts and in the PA accounts. So these are the two Lilo accounts. Like I say, we got 6,000 in one of them and 11,000 in the other. 3 days and 4 trading days. So 4 trading days on the upper account and 3 trading days on the $6,000 account. So we need to get to $20,000 in order to basically pass the challenge. And then once you pass the challenge, you can pay for the lifetime PA fee, which is about $140, $150. And then you can obviously work up to your sort of profit targets and then withdraw after your, X amount of days. I think with Lulu, you have to have at least 30 trading days and you can withdraw on the last Monday of the month. So we'll do a little bit of a review. This is the trade reviews that we do on the weekends. So you can see we'll go to, well, in fact, we'll start on Fridays because I've got Fridays up on the screen. So you can see here we were longing, and I put the time to my UK time just so it's all in nice and simple in terms of time for me. So in simple terms, 2:30 in the UK is 9:30 New York local time. So basically just 5 hours ahead. So you can see here on the Friday long series we were looking at, so 62% retracement, and then sold into the 60-minute opening range, took the profits at 11 o'clock. End of day target was 12,320. Just to show you that, guys, that we were talking about that. So 2 o'clock is obviously 9 o'clock, so that's about 9:05 in New York local time, and we were saying gunning for 460 on the ES and 12,320 on the NQ. And then you can see here I updated the chart earlier. And you can see those levels hit 12,311. So we were nine points off our end of day target. So let's go back to our weekly reviews, trade reviews. So you can see here that was the trade we were looking at. So the high to high to high on the Fibonacci retracement in bullish environments, 50 to 62% discount. And then you've got your long series setup. And obviously we took our profits up into the 12,200s, and you can see it did go all the way up to -1 standard deviation from this 60-minute opening range, high to low, 0.5, and then -1, taking you to 12,320. So they were the examples that we've got on the screen here. So you can see the longs that we took. Going over to Wednesday's short and then long series. Let's just move over so you can see that as well. I have got it up on a picture as well, but we'll just go through it on here as well, just so you can see. So we got the shorts, and I'll show you the photo. So what we were thinking, we were in, so I'll just say the sort of commentary. So shorts were into the 50% fib from pre-market highs to the 935 lows. Price was also at midnight open, and if bearish we should reject, and we were also in ATR premium for the day. Shorts were taken off at the ATR lows and also the fib extension targets, and then we went this was the point where I went long for the rebalance into the 60-minute opening range midpoint. So you can see here shorts in the morning, then we took them off, and then we went long, sold off into that target, and then went long again, and then sold off into the highs. And then we held our end of day. We also had the ES as well, so we held our long from about 6 o'clock, so about 1 o'clock PM time, New York local time. It did go a lot higher into the end of the day, but we sat in here for 3 hours for this trade, all the way from here. So basically 10:30 all the way till 1 o'clock. New York local time. And then we got that massive push. I sold out. I had my targets in place. That wasn't me just exiting. That's where my targets were. And then obviously it did go a lot higher into the end of the day, but we were happy with the targets. And like I say, we did also take the ES as well. So that was the NQ, and then that was the other trade as well, the long. And that was basically the trade. So PM highs, PM, and then market open lows. Retracement into the 50% fib here. Sold off into -23 and -50. That's where now longs are more favorable because you're inside ATR discount low on the day, and you were in premium for the shorts. So premium shorts, discount longs, and then sold off into the midpoint for the 60-minute opening range, and then obviously it did fade for the rest of the day. So that was Wednesday. Then Tuesday, we had a Tuesday long setup below midnight open and PM. So pre-market open and also New York local open as well. Discount long, 62% discount long series inside the ATR discount. And also with buy side resting above, lining up with the standard deviation. So had the opening range here and we made our double bottom here. Draw your fib long low to high, 60%, 62% retracement to the tick, and then your targets negative 23 and also negative 50. It did go a little bit high, but it possibly negative 62 would have been hit as well, or definitely was hit. Buy side liquidity here, so that was taken. So you had short side liquidity induced down here, retail shorts thinking it's going to go lower, and then buy stops above, which ended up getting taken out. It did end up fading for the rest of the day, but we were already out at that point, and then that was the trade that we took. So longs here, sold into, and then I kind of front run my entry. I think I got long on the 50s, not the 62s, so I could have got a better entry down here at the 62s on that retracement there. I think I got long at the midpoint, and then we sold into the 12,125s, so 12,115, and you did have targets at around 12,160, so we left some on the table, but we continuously paid ourselves through the week. So that was the main three sort of trade setups for the week. And like I say, ending the week $18,000 in profit. So how do I? Yeah, so you can see here. So we got 80% win rate on Monday, and then we had 50% and then 96% and 80%. So overall, really good week. And like I say, they were the trades, and we are halfway on one of the accounts, and we're about 30% on one of the other accounts for the Lila account. So I got the first account on the 65% discount, and then the other account was on the 80% discount. So about $140 for this account. So nothing too crazy, but once we get into the PA environment, we can start obviously getting to that point where we can withdraw some profits. So hopefully that's going to be the end of the video. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you would like to join, links will be in the description below. And other than that, guys, I will see you all in the next video.